Whenever we have an exception task, such as number 18, we'll need to use two highlight colors. First, we want to highlight the task in the affirmative. We want to resolve the apparent discrepancy, but we need to highlight the exception term in yellow so that we distinguish between the four answer choices that will affirmatively resolve the discrepancy and the one correct answer choice that does not resolve the discrepancy. And that doesn't mean that we need to make the discrepancy worse. We just need to find something that doesn't actively accomplish the task in the affirmative. So we're going to go back to our orange and we're going to read the paragraph on the left and we're going to highlight whatever the apparently discrepant fact is at the end as the de facto conclusion that we're looking for answer choices to explain. So, reading on the left, consumer demand for personal computers continues to increase each year, which might lead one to think that the profits earned selling personal computers at the retail level are very high relative to total retail sales of personal computers. Yet, the retail profit margin on personal computer sales is extremely low compared to that of other popular high technology items. So, we're going to just highlight in orange the paradoxical fact that retail profit margin on personal computer sales is low compared to other popular high technology items, even though demand goes up. So that is what we're looking for in the affirmative, but that is not the correct answer, which is why we're going to hopefully highlight four answer choices that do explain this discrepancy before selecting the one answer choice that does not. So we'll start with choice A. Rapid innovation in computer technology increases the likelihood of a store's stock becoming obsolete. Well, if computer technology becomes obsolete quickly, that would explain why you'd have a lower retail profit margin. So we are going to eliminate A because it accomplishes the task in the affirmative to help resolve the discrepancy. Next, choice B, satisfaction with their first personal computer tends to make customers very loyal to that particular brand. Well, we didn't discuss brand. And just because it's the first personal computer, does that mean they want to replace that computer or not replace the computer? This actually needs additional information in order to help resolve the discrepancy. And if you are tracking the task closely, you should recognize that B is going to be our correct answer.